Hi, this is Dr. Kent Holtorf, Medical Director of the Holtorf Medical Group. I wanted to take a second to talk about fatigue. And so many people are fatigued and stressed throughout the day, and then there's a subset of people who have chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia. There are many causes of fatigue, but one that you hear often is adrenal fatigue. And it's controversial in that some endocrinologists and other societies say that, hey, it doesn't exist, while others say it's very common. Well, the literature is very clear that it is very common, but I think it's more controversy over the name. Instead of adrenal fatigue, we'll typically use hypothalamic pituitary adrenal dysfunction because it's often not just an adrenal problem, but actually a pituitary and hypothalamic problem that results in this adrenal dysfunction, which causes fatigue. So normally your adrenals go up and cortisol is produced in response to stress to help you deal with that stress. If it's not able to keep up, you get fatigued, anxious, kind of that wired but tired. So, well, what do you do about it? Well, a lot of people will drink the energy drinks and drink a lot of coffee and caffeine. The problem is those are really loan sharks for energy. Yeah, you'll feel better in the short term, but now you're going to have to pay that back plus interest. So what you really want to do is support the body and support the adrenal function, and also what a major component of this is actually mitochondrial dysfunction. So the cellular energy is low, which causes the hypothalamic pituitary dysfunction, which isn't telling the adrenals to work, in addition to the adrenal dysfunction. So a couple products that are made to fix this adrenal fatigue is Adrenal Boost and also Adrenal Repair. So the Adrenal Boost will work on the mitochondrial portion and help the brain tell the adrenals to work in response to stress. And the Repair will provide the adrenals with all the support to optimize the response. So those two products work on different parts of this adrenal fatigue, and so you can get actually feeling better and reduce that fatigue throughout the day, especially for really stressed people. Another component of adrenal fatigue is actually, it's where the adrenals are actually working, but the timing is off. Normally the adrenals are high in the morning and reduced at night, lower levels. That allows you to be calmer at night, more energy during the day. But what's found with this adrenal fatigue or adrenal dysfunction, that the adrenals don't work in the morning, but they produce too much cortisol at night. So it's when you can't get out of bed, but then you try to go to bed, now you're wired. To help that and help to balance the adrenals and lower that nighttime cortisol is called HPA balance. It's an adaptogen that will help the adrenal not produce excess when it's not needed and produce more when it's needed. So especially those who are anxious at night and can't sleep because they're all wired, HPA balance is optimal for that. So you take that at night and either Adrenal Repair and or Adrenal Boost in the morning and get that adrenals going in the morning but lower them at night, be back in balance.